this video, we are going to learn to configure Eclipse for Python. Eclipse is an IDE which is mostly used by Java developers. Now we are going to install pydev inside Eclipse to execute Python programs. The first step is to launch your Eclipse and set the workspace. You should have already installed Python 3 before doing this process. In the Eclipse software, we are going to download pydev. To download pydev within Eclipse, we need to go to the Help menu and click on Install New Software and enter pydev.org/updates in the Work With field and click on Add. From the two options which appears, select pydev for Eclipse, and the second option is optional. There is no need to select pydev integration. Then click Next and OK to continue installing pydev. In the next window, select I accept the agreement radio button, then click on Finish. If a security warning window appears, just click on OK. Now we have installed pydev. Let's configure pydev now. Python must be installed to configure pydev. Our first step is to go to Windows menu, click on Preferences. In the Preferences window, expand pydev and select Python Interpreter and click on Browse to select the Python executable file from your C drive. And it shows all the folders which is needed to be added to the system Python path, and you can just click on OK. Now we have set up the interpreter for Python. Next step is to install Eclipse preferences for Python. For installing Eclipse preferences, we need to download the preferences file and keep it in your drive. Now we are going to import the preferences. To import the preferences, in the Eclipse software, click on the File menu and select Import. In the Import dialog box, select General Preferences and click on Next. When the Import Preferences dialog box opens, select Browse and select the Eclipse preferences file which we have downloaded. Put a check mark next to Import All and click on Finish. We are done with the Eclipse preferences installation. Now let's create our first Python program. Before typing in our Python program, we need to switch over to the Python perspective. By default, Eclipse IDE is in Java perspective. To switch over to Python perspective, go to Windows menu, open Perspective and choose pydev. In the upper right corner, you will see that the perspective has been changed from Java to Python. In Python perspective, we have some other features which are necessary for executing the Python programs. Now let's create a new project for Python. Go to File menu, click on New, PY Dev project. In the window which appears, enter the name of your project and select Python. Project type project version should be 3. If you have installed Python 3 software. And make sure to put a check mark next to create default src folder and add it to the Python path. And click on finish. In the upper left corner of the workspace, in the Package Explorer view, you can see the project which we have created with the src folder inside. Now let's create a new module. To create a new module, right click on the project, new, and select PyDev module. This will launch a PyDev module window where you should enter the name of the module. Leave the package field blank and select finish. In the Package Explorer view, under a src folder, you can see the file name which we have created. Now we can start typing our Python program in the workspace editor. Let's just type a print statement and see whether it executes the Python program. Here I have given the print statement. Welcome to my website. And to execute the program, right click on the file name, select Run as Python Run. You can see the output at the bottom of the screen in the console view. We are done with the creation of the first program in Eclipse with Python programming language. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get further notification. Thanks for watching.